Good afternoon, folks. Just a little update on my Power Wagon. I've replaced the broken LEDs, which had snap wires on and I couldn't resolder them. I have added more period looking side mirrors. Look a lot better. And used FTX air filter. This thing keeps turning itself off because I've turned off the speaker. I added a spotlight to the side of the cab. So that gets my Power Wagon back in action again. I haven't done anything else to it. No intentions of tweaking this up in any way. I'm perfectly happy with the way it drives as is. This is just a kit Injora chassis. Yes, UI-wise it's just a 1060. Oops. That's what happens when you push back slightly too hard. Don't want it to jump. Granted, it's a while since I've been out with this. Yes, I wonder why that's leaning way over to the one side, because it's not torque twist. This doesn't really suffer from torque twist. I wonder if my shocks are maybe a bit too stiff. No, that's released fine. I mean, the last time I was out, I took the ravine. I was debating whether or not to take this with me, but I hadn't had the replacement LEDs, so I didn't get to take this out with me. Now this thing does crawl extremely well. Nothing special about this. I just wanted to get it looking a bit more scale. I got all my lights replaced. And the spotlight added to the side of the cab. As far as I know, my rear light should be working okay. which they are. I got a feeling that my body's not sitting properly. Because something's definitely not right here. No, it's high on the one side. There's something. I think the wiring getting in the way, is that what it is? Ah, that's what it is. It's a type of battery I'm using. The cable's forcing up one side of the body, that's why it looks like it's under torque twist, and it isn't really. I've only got a little 2-cell on this to just to test the lights and test them all to make sure it's working alright. I wanted to do this almost the past week, but the weather here, to put it mildly, has been atrocious. More rain than we've had in a long time. Basically 5 days of constant rain. So getting out to do any filming has been nigh on impossible. Anyway, it's just a short video today to basically give you a look and see what the Power Wagon now looks like. The wing mirrors are from the FTX Texan, but the short course mirrors that I'd had actually had reflective surfaces on them, so I took them off and glued them onto the brackets, so that it actually looks like proper mirrors. Well, that's all for today, folks. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already done so. And by the feelings of things, it's about to start raining again, so I'm going to head inside. And I will catch you all again on the next video. Bye for now.